That's the tower in Easky. I just wanted to show you something because I found something weird in there. Let's have a look. Dominique is already here.
I found little like scorpions or something. Not a scorpion, but little
earwigs
things.
This, it looks like a real ruin. I mean, it is a ruin, clearly. There's ferns growing and stuff. And then I looked in this area and I discovered something. All right, let's have a look at this. Okay, I don't know how the camera's going to react in here, but there's some stairs. So let's go up the stairs. Ancient stairs that are very uneven. I'll walk backwards down them, I think, on the way out. There's Dominique. So I found a stairway.
And I think there are more stairs over there.
Yes, there are 2 sets of stairs. Let's have a look. Alright, I'm higher up in the tower. Whew. Exploration. Adventure. Yep. Looks like there's a bit more climbing to be done. Let's have a look up here. Another set of stairs. It's a turret. Ooh. Out. Looking back down. Now we go across the whole area. And I don't know where we're going, but there's another area for the keyhole. Goes up even further. Whoa. Yeah, you're right on the top now. There's the ocean. Alright. I'll walk once around the perimeter, but I'm scared of heights. So once will be enough. There's the ocean again. Dominique is somewhere down here.
I'm here, hello.
Alright, somewhere. I'll be coming down shortly because I'm afraid of heights. But I'm at the very top. Believe it or not. This is the other edge with the bathroom and everything. Cows on the beach. Let's have a look at them. Look at these cows. There they are. I guess I can't focus too well from here. Cows. Ocean. Alright, I'm going to go back down the stairs because I don't like heights. Alright, time to go back. Okay, that's quite a distance. This is the secret way to get into the Easky Tower. I'm sure it's not called the Easky Tower. We'll find out in a minute what its name really is. Alright, so this is the very peak, the top of the castle here. I hope you can see that alright. Now, time to go back down with great caution. Look at that, there's even wild blackberry growing in the stairs. Certainly a danger zone. Ooh, okay. Back through the dark tunnel. It's like a catacomb, except it's above ground. Here we've got the centre. Still there, Dommy? No, she's gone. I don't know where she went. All right, down these stairs. No fatties allowed. Alright, I'm down one level now. I don't even want to look in that other stairway because it's scary stuff. It's quite frightening. There's lots of strange little alcoves and things, but unfortunately people just seem to be filling them with rubbish. Bad tourists are people who leave rubbish everywhere or write their names or paint on these old monuments. It's not very good. Are you there, babe? Yeah. Alright, I'm coming back. I'm sweating with fear. See this stairway? You can't see anything. Yeah, so one step at a time. Just try to let your eyes adjust. And then there's the keyhole. Some more of these scary stairs. Alright. Yeah. Alright, I'm nearly back to civilization. Oh. That was.
Did you like it?
I don't like heights. I'm sweating. Sweating with fear.
Fear sweat.
It's the worst kind of sweat.
Fear sweat.
I was right up on the top edge.
Alright.
Because there's some stairs, but we don't have to stay here. It's scary.
Okay.
I just filmed one last round. I'm not sure if these are fireplaces or lookout windows. Maybe they're lookout windows.
Have a look outside.
It's quite a tall tower too. That's where I was up there. Sweating. Alright, we can get moving. I'll find out what the name of this thing is. Look at the perspective. Stay there for a second. I want you to get the perspective of how tall this thing is. On the road. Yep. So there's my wife Dominique. I don't know if you can see her down the bottom there. That's that little ghostly figure. And that's how tall the tower is. That is a big tower. There's Dommy. Yep. And I was up there just a few minutes ago. Hope you liked the video. I gotta tell you, I'm sweating just because of the exertion and the fear of death. But nothing bad happened. I didn't know you could go that far. Now we know.
This video has the title, I'm sweating.
Alright. Thanks for watching.